So here is my Panasonic S5 kit. I bought it for 2000 US dollar or around 1600 in Chinese currency. So let me do the unboxing. Let me have a seat here. So are you ready, my wife?
Yes.
So can you show it from the closer? As you can see, you can see this my video. I bought this one from a shop. They already opened the box for me, but again I wanna do a proper unboxing. It's quite nice. Okay, here's the body. Wow, this camera, wow, it's a huge compared to my MFT. By the way, I'm recording with the Olympus EM5 Mark III. Wow, let me take out the lens. Okay, there's a lens hood also. I will be checking it later. I just want the lens, not the lens hood right now. Let me take out the lens. The reason I bought this camera is just for this lens. Let me repeat, only for this lens I bought this camera. Nothing else, only for this lens. 20 to 60. Okay, here's one thing. If you're going to open for first time, you have to press this button to open. The lens release button to open. You cannot open without pressing this one. Okay, now it's opening. Look at this. Wow, finally I upgraded. Why I didn't went with the Nikon Z6 or the Sony A7 Mark IV or the Canon R6. Money was not a problem for me right now. I can easily spend $3,000 for the R6 plus some lens, one or two lens. But I want something Panasonic. My first mirrorless camera ever, it was the Panasonic G7. I was a DSLR user for so long. So G7 was my first camera. Okay, let me just put in the battery and let me see. So it comes with this two cap, lens hood, and then can you show what it comes in inside? Battery, USB-C cable, power adapter, wow, and an external charger. Wow, wow, it's very nice. So you can charge by USB. The battery is quite big. I don't think so you need battery. Normally the only mirrorless camera I like for the battery life is Sony A6600 or Canon 90D. The problem with Canon 90D is that I went to bought the Canon 90D because I'm a DSLR at heart. But the problem was the images was coming too soft when using the OVF. I love OVF over the EVF. Okay, let me just pack this one. I don't wanna lose anything. Okay, let me just close this one. And then let me put this one inside. Okay, and then I think I need to put a memory card. Let's see, I have a battery charger. No, here's my memory card. Let me put it inside. By the way, my external mic, I don't know where it went. I lost my external microphone. That's why you're hearing the audio from the. You are hearing the audio from the Olympus EM5 Mark III. I'm very tired. It has dual SD card slot, which is awesome. Okay, as you can see, it has two dual SD card slot. The one you can use the UHS-1 and one is the UHS Mark II. Wow, this camera is such an amazing camera, to be honest with you. So let's get started with the images and unboxing. Subscribe and buy.